Erosion, desertification, and pollution have become our lot. It is a weird form of suicide, for we are bleeding our planet to death. A British naturalist and conservationist, Gerald Durrow, once said. This process by which fertile lands becoming deserts is called desertification, typically as a result of drought, deforestation, or inappropriate agriculture. Kenya is a country on the east part of Africa, a continent which is affected by desertification the most among all. Over the last couple decades, desertification has had some huge effects on Kenya's society. Desertification is a slow turning process over many years, which has first started about 1,000 years ago, and the presence of it is due to various causes. The first cause is the lack of rain. When it is not raining for a long period of time, also known as drought, there is a very high percentile that desertification will occur. The second cause is deforestation. People cut down trees to build houses and other things. The trees would die, and there would soon be no more trees around, and the disappearance of them will lead the area to become abundant and would soon become dry lands. The third cause is farming practices. If the farmers don't use the land effectively or correctly, they are going to increase the chance of letting desertification being spread out even faster. Kenya is currently negatively impacted by desertification in many ways. Firstly, it is affecting the water quality in Kenya. The lands are becoming deserts. No plant will grow, so the water will become dirty without the plants to keep it clean and clear. According to Wolfram Alpha, only 57% of the population have sustainable access to clean water sources. Desertification also causes hunger and famine in Kenya. People are starving for food since there are not enough lands to farm. They are running out of food resources, which is leading up to a massive death in that area. In the last decade, 4 major food crises in Kenya have all been triggered by desertification. Desertification might cause an economic recession in Kenya, since that the main industry is farming. According to Farm Africa, 2/3 of the Kenyans depend on the crops they grow, and these people will lose their job and will eventually die because of no incomes to support their lives. Without the farming industry, Kenya would no longer get enough profits. The country would run out of money, and then it would be set to go into default, eventually leading up to a significant drop in their economy. Desertification has impacted Kenya negatively in many ways, and will still going to in the future. Therefore, we have to raise awareness about the severe issue and try to stop it from getting worse and ruining our beautiful planet, Earth.